everybody. Welcome back to Record-ology. Now, for those of you that were keenly paying attention to the end of the videos, you guys tune out maybe and say, there's something else left in this video that's interesting. You may be missing out because sometimes knowing that, I mean, I know the average view duration. I know most people don't stay to the end of the video. I know you guys skip around. I'm just teasing you guys. I do the same thing. But watch more of the video, will you? That's a good thing for me and for you. But anyway, I sometimes see little interesting things at the end of shows for those keen eyes and ears, people that are listening. One of the things I've been peppering you guys with lately is a little teaser to today when I have an announcement to make. Big news, and I do. So stay tuned to the end of this episode, and I'll tell you what it is. But in the meantime, we're going to review this record right here. This is one of the records I unboxed yesterday. I just could not wait to jump right into this. This is Clipper merchandising of Hong Kong. Now, I did a little bit of research. What I learned is interesting. What I don't still know is probably even more interesting. But these records, there's a brief entry on Discogs for this. They partnered with established record pressing organizations and record labels like Camden, New Jersey, RCA Victor for the United States release. And this is the Elephant True Tone, which would indicate that it is the Made in England edition, which it also says Made in England. But apparently the Elephant True Tone is part of that fact as well. I'm not sure what these other characters mean. I have dated this approximately to 1940. But besides that, we're just going to figure it out. Now, before I do that, there is an interesting issue with this pressing. You'll notice these like little indents or little, I don't know what you would call them, pocks, little bubbles almost. And it's in the vinyl. It's in the shellac. And I think this is probably a bad pressing, would be my guess. This is probably indicative of air bubbles in the pressing. I've seen this in vinyl, but I've never seen it in shellac. But that's my guess. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about that. But without further ado, let's play it. Today we'll be listening on the Audiotronics 304A. And yeah, let's just give it a listen. I have no idea. I've not played this. I saved this moment for us to share. Hopefully it's interesting, and I assume it'll be, copyright friendly, hopefully. Let's try this stylus. Helps if you use the volume control. Wow. Do I have this on the right speed? Sorry, guys. Let's just check that out. I do have it on 78. Okay. Just got to thinking. I didn't even verify that. Okay, let's go ahead and skip forward a little bit. Wow. Very interesting. I mean, this is a time capsule for sure. Very interesting. This is really interesting. To me, this is like a major artifact of history recorded in sound. Let's listen to the flip side. If you know any history about this, what this music is, what it represents, what we're hearing here, please, please let me know down in the comments below. Wow. Very, very interesting. Something tells me you probably can't find this on Apple Music or Spotify. Wow. Wow, you guys, that is just, what a historic historic thing. And what an amazing, interesting thing, too. Sorry, I had a hard time remembering how to play a record there for a minute. Saw a label like this, I knew we were in for a treat because that is not your average label. I mean, this is not your average find. So thank you for sending this in. What an amazing, amazing thing. Super, super cool, you guys. All right, well, that's going to do it for now. We'll be back with another fun episode tomorrow. Got a lot of cool things to share with you, some unboxing. I think tomorrow we're going to do a product review I've got in the works, and I think that'll be a fun show. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for hanging out until the end for the surprise, which is I am now a proud grandparent 2 times over because our daughter just welcomed our second grandchild into the world, a little baby girl. Both mother and child are doing well. So thank you guys for staying tuned, for watching the show, and we will see you tomorrow.